Having an established skincare routine is one way to maintain your glowing skin. So is what you eat. You are what you eat. Isn't that the saying?
Exactly.
Dr. Jolla is here to explain. Good morning and thank you for being here. I was just having this conversation with my kiddos who are in love with ramen right now.
Right.
And then I started reading the articles on what ramen does to like skin.
Look at the package and see all those ingredients in the back. Yeah.
And I learned that, I said, honey, look, when you eat these things, it has an effect on your skin.
Totally. And you know, Charlie, the big thing is I always tell people that if it's got a barcode on it, it's probably not that healthy. So the time to teach our kids the right types of foods is, you know, when they're young. And the important thing is you really want to have a nice balanced diet. If you talk to nutritionists, dietitians, they'll tell you that it's eating from all these food groups, and kids tend to focus on the carbs, unfortunately, the fast foods.
Right.
And but vegetables and fruits are really a key portion of our skin's health, because our skin turns over every 30 days. So of all the organs in our body, it regenerates itself the most. So we really need to take the most care of it. And especially all the vegetables are very helpful. The vitamins are important nutrients.
Let's talk specifically about nutrients. Now I'm listening because I want to know. I sometimes take things thinking I read it somewhere that this is good for making your skin brighter. And what do I take?
So the take home are vitamins A, vitamin C, and vitamin E.
A,
C, and E.
I'm paying attention. A, C, and E.
Yeah,
Why?
those are the take homes, because A is, you can think of it as it provides structural support for the skin. In terms of the skin's turnover, it supports that. Vitamin C is helpful in our building up of our collagen, our elastin, which is part of the protein fibers that make our skin tighter, more resilient. Vitamin E is more for protecting our skin against the environmental stressors. For example, ozone, ultraviolet, the other factors, pollutants that we all get exposed to daily.
Do we take them by foods that we eat? Foods.
Food's the best way. I mean, you could take multivitamins, but the truth is in our balanced diets in the U.S., we're going to be able to get those very easy through just, you know, taking a lot of leafy fruits and vegetables.
Okay, so I can answer this. Let's all answer this together. What foods should we avoid? Sugar,
salt, processed, too much, and also the saturated fats, because of obviously not just an effect that it has upon our skin, but cardiac wise they're not the healthiest choice. So olive oil is great because it's a mono or a poly unsaturated fat. So those, if you're going to think of food, think of that Mediterranean diet that allows people to live, you know, healthy and live very long. And fruits, vegetables, salmon, other fatty fishes are great in omega-3.
Yes.
They're very good.
Okay.
They also give us more hydration, because these fatty fishes will actually increase hydration to the skin. Salmon being the same thing, sardines, mackerel, all of those are very helpful. Avocados are great. Eggs, sources of vitamin A and E. So, you know, it's important. I think just to, you can look this stuff up online. It's not rocket science.
It depends on where you look, Dr. Sheffer.
True, it does, right?
Okay.
Exactly.
All right, so our big takeaway is look at what you're eating, right, every day. And if you really want to see a big change in your complexion,
start eating healthy and avoid the processed foods.
Okay, I'm going to cut that and take it home to my boys that next time they fill up that ramen. Let's see what they say. Dr. Sheffer, thank you.
Sure.